Hey, and welcome to this tutorial. Today we're going to be covering Maya's pattern rename bonus tool. If you need to install the bonus tools, head to the link in the video's description to do so. There's a great tool with these bonus tools which allows some nice control when renaming a bunch of objects at a time. If you would like to follow along, the Maya files are available through becoming a Patreon. Not only does this give you some cool perks, but it also helps the channel out too. We can get to this tool by heading up to Bonus Tools, Windows, Pattern Rename. If you haven't got any objects or things populating the menu, all you need to do is select some stuff and hit reload on the tool. I'm just going to go ahead and turn off path names and namespaces to just clean up how things are going to be displayed for us here. This tool is very dynamic. For example, if I type my cool object, matching how it is in the outliner just into this search field, and let's just leave the replace empty and hit add to list. See, we're getting a preview of the new name before we make any real changes to the scene. Let's also remove object test as well. And so now in the preview, we're just left with some underscores. So what we can do now is replace these. So 2 underscores, and we can replace that with, test underscore. And hit add to list to make that change. Once we're happy with the resulting names, go ahead and hit rename here down at the bottom. And you can see here in the outliner that our cubes have been renamed exactly how we have configured here in the tool. Be sure to join the Discord server to chat with a great community of fellow modelers, and check out my Patreon for access to the members only chat and a whole bunch of assets and tools. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, hit the like and subscribe buttons, come chat with me on the Discord, and I'll see you in the next video.